What's going on, YouTubers? It's Sammy back at you again. Just going to make a quick video with the 2002 Trans Am Pontiac Firebird, of course. I replaced some light bulbs on it today, and I'm not going to take everything back apart, but it's just a quick video showing you how it's done. So your light bulb turn signals are right there and right there. I think it's about the same on every car this age, maybe even down to 2000, because they didn't change the body style of them before then. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a 10 millimeter. I try to access it all from up top. You can't do it, there's too much stuff in the way. But if you go up underneath here, mine has got an access panel. I don't know if they all do, but this one did. You take this bolt out here, yep, that bolt there, and this one here, and this whole thing comes down and flips down. You reach your hand up in there and you twist the bulb and unlock it, put your new bulb in, and put your flat back up and put your bolts back in. That pretty much gets the front. And like I said, these are my front turn signals on this one. Different cars, different bulbs maybe. These were the back ones. I went ahead and did the back ones at the same time. I like to get all my bulbs done the same time, because that way I don't have to worry about doing this all the time, and usually you get, you know, a year, 2 years, whatever you get out of it. So the rear ones, you pop your trunk right here, lift it up, pull your carpet back, and this access your tail lights right there. Those little black plugs, I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there. Little black plugs right there. There's 5 of them. 4 over here, 4 on this side, 2 of them right here, 2 of them right there, and 1 all the way at the end. And mine, I had to unlock this and I had to pull that back out to reach my hand in there. So you pull them out after taking them 5 little plastic screws out. Pull your light out. You have 2 bulbs in here, actually 3 if you want to count the running light, but you have 2 bulbs here, which I just showed you. Spin them out, pull them out, put your new ones back in, slide your light back in there, and then pull your carpet back down and just screw these on like that. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and that gets your rear bulbs. Parking brakes, backup lights if you want. You do all your light bulbs from right there, except for, of course, your license plate. But I hope that helps somebody. Don't stress out if you think you got to take your bumper off, or you got to, you know, take your front end off. Yeah, don't have to. Like I said, this is pretty elementary for a lot of people, but for some new guys, some young fellas that might be their first car, or might just got a car like this and they didn't get a manual and don't know how to get to everything, that's how you do it. Anyways, we're going to be doing some work on it soon, and I will hopefully you guys tune in to see all this. We're going to start repolishing rims, cleaning up our rims. As you might see, they're a little dirty. The car's been sitting around. I'm going to try to clean them up and make them, give it that stock look. And hope you guys are around to see all this happen. Tune in, give me a like, comment, subscribe, check out some of the other videos I have. And yeah, I'm glad you guys tuned in and stopped in. Anyways, talk to you later, and thanks. Peace.